Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to fix Google search from Chrome. So to fix this issue, guys, what you could try to do is you could just simply check your internet connection. So sometimes this happen because you don't have a stable internet connection. So to fix this, right click on your network and go ahead and go to the network and internet settings. Now, over here, you will have an option, Advanced Network Settings. So go ahead and select this. Now over here, you will have a button over here, Disable. So go ahead and select that, Disable. And after that, just enable it back again. And mostly, this can fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't work, what you could try to do is just simply resetting your Chrome. So to do that, select the three dots on the top right corner, and over here go ahead and go to the settings. Now here on the settings, go for the privacy and security tab on the left side of the screen and go ahead and go for delete browsing data. Now from here, make sure to select these two over here because this is the most important thing. And now select the more and select all time and just simply select delete data, and mostly this can fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.